Hi everyone, I am Sushobhan here and today we are going to unbox BLAUPUNKT Bluetooth speaker. This one is BT-100 blue color model. So this has two pieces of 50 mm driver unit. It has multiple connectivity options including Bluetooth 4.2, aux-in, TF card and FM radio. It has 5 control buttons for complete control of music and also has a low battery warning. Buy it from Amazon or Flipkart from around 2000 to 3000 rupees. It has a Bluetooth transmission distance of around 10 meters and battery capacity of 2000 milliampere, which will give you around 8 to 10 hours of battery life. It comes in two color variants, black and blue. This one is blue in color. It is a reputed brand from Germany which manufactures car speakers and home theater systems. I'm going to It also has a built-in microphone and passive radiator. So you be the judge and rate the audio quality. The design is very good. It has some cloth type material in the front with
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe I'll stay down to the ground.
So yes, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.